Relax. Feel the blood supply changes. Will you come to sitting posture? But I want you to sit in a such a style where your shoulders are working but still relaxed.
感受到以这样的方式休息，肩部虽然说在用力，但是也感觉是在放松。
Put equal body weight on both the elbows.
把我们的体力分配到两只肘肘上。
Is it 2 ohm?
我们以 Om 发声。
You can feel the abdominal artery pulsation
感受到我们腹部的自然的变动，
and heartbeat.
以及心跳的改变。
One more time.
再一次。
You feel little empty sensation in your hands, forearm and near till elbows.
感受到我们靠近手肘的部位，血液的真空的麻麻感，
Could you feel?
能感受到吗？
Because we are blocking one of the artery supply by adopting this posture.
因为我们两个部位的卷曲阻止了血液的回流。
I want you to feel totally numb sensation of your hands.
就是要去感受我们手臂的这种麻木的感觉，
Are you feeling?
能感受到吗？
Slowly release and lie down.
慢慢的俯下，
And feel again blood rushing back to your fingertips.
感受到血液回流进手的时候的那种感觉，
Again heart is beating more.
同样的心跳加快了。
Slowly you fold your legs like this.
慢慢的把脚收起来，把脚收起来，像这样子的去一个夹住，
Okay. And fold your hands on the top of your head like this.
然后把手像老师这样子的一个放在后面。
See, you are going to give a pressure on all the 4 major joints, both the knees, both the elbows, towards the earth.
我们现在反复把所有的重量呢都集中在了我们的后背，然后去挤压我们的地球，
Stretch it fully. Feel the gentle stretch of your hip joint.
感受到我们屁股的一个拉伸动作，
Slowly release.
放开，
Keep your legs straight.
把手打直，
Hands released.
手略放下，
Again, can you feel the blood circulation change?
感受到我们血液变化的情况。
Slowly take your both hands by the side like this.
手向两边打开，
Raise your own leg up.
把我们的右脚往上提，
Take a deep breath in.
吸气，
Oh. Feel the changes.
然后到我们身体的一些小小的变化。
Again, can you feel the heartbeat increase?
我知道我们心跳加速了没有？
No.
没有吗？
Raise your left leg up.
好，我们的左脚要提起来。
Now you hold this left leg stiff. See the difference? Tight. Hold this tight.
我们稍微用点力，感受一下这样不好。
Then take a deep breath in.
吸气。
Slowly release.
好，慢慢的放下。
Feel the heaviness of your own leg while releasing the leg down.
当我们放下脚的时候，感受我们脚的一个重量的好像加重了。
Release completely.
经常呼吸。
Can you feel bit relief in your lower back?
有没有感受到我们后背稍微靠下位置的一个压力的变化？
Now raise your right leg between 45 degree and 90 degree angle.
把我们的
Little
脚
above.
往上举得更高，45度到90度之间的一个角度，
Hold it tight.
用力的，
Both hands also hold tight now.
我们的双手也用力，
As tight as possible.
尽量的收紧，
Take a deep breath in.
吸气。
Slowly release the right leg.
往上，
Release the hands.
手往上，
See the changes?
能不能有温度啊各方面的变化呢？
So I am relieving your lower back pain by keeping less blood in the raised leg, and while releasing the leg down, more blood rushes towards the back leg so that it can heal. Blood, wherever there is a more blood supply, it will heal fast.
我们的这个动作的要领其实就是让血液的一个回流，血液的一个锁定，让我们的背部以及我们的脚能够享受这种充血、放血的这种感受，能够达到更好的修复作用。
Slowly raise your left leg up.
左脚提起来，
Both hands tight.
手用力，
Take a deep breath in.
吸气。
Slowly release your left leg and release both hands.
放松我们的手，放松我们的脚，
Relax.
放松。
You can actually feel as if too much of blood is pumped towards your heart.
能不能感受得到我们心跳加速，帮我们的身体各方面去输送血液呢？
And a gentle relief in your lower back.
对我们后背的一个轻缓的放松，有没有感受得到？
Your upper back muscles are already relaxed.
我们的背部的肌肉有没有得到一个更深层次的放松？
Slowly fold your left leg, turn towards right side.
把我们的
Raise your right hand on the top of your head.
手向上举，起身姿势的一个准备动作，向右侧，
Taking support of both hands, then slowly come to sitting.
慢慢的坐起来。
How is the pain?
您看看现在能不能理解了解？
What percent pain relief she has? 20%, 10%?
现在你的疼痛感有大概多少的感觉？
Full efficiency?
感受一下。
70%。
70%，对。
I want to
what？
say to even if 5%, it should be 5%.
如果感觉不到的话，20%就可以听到声音。
Really felt
可
something
能能够
like
感到这么多的放松。
有放松的感觉，就是后面就是觉得很松弛了，没有那种紧张感。
So when simple class it can cause so much relief. So the main work is focusing and pushing some blood towards that area to heal and relax better.
因为这些动作的要领就是，如果我们就是去锁住血液，然后又放开的同时，你的部位是正确的，你对那个部位的一个修复会更明显一些。其实作用道理就是尽自己的努力去锁住血液，然后放松的时候就会没有血液在那个上面。
So today we'll make all these energies come here.
今天我们会把所有的能量稍微聚集一点。
So if somebody wants to go for a crawl, you can go fast. I want all of you to come in this front area.
然后呢，我们想让厕所上完之后，我们回来，然后全部集中在这里。
Sitting close next to each other.
好，我们现在就可以坐拢一点，如果说可以坐拢，对，坐在对，坐在这边，坐在这边。
If you are wishing to share the energies, then if you don't want, you could bring your closer. Okay, not so far.
更近一点，
更近一点，更近一点，是哦，草龙，
还更近一点吗？
对，好，快朝前，朝前，来，快要朝前，再朝前，来，中嘛，把中间的那个。一样才平，好像。我这样可以走。